Most witches love animals. We often cast spells for their protection because we recognize that not all creatures are treated with the respect they deserve. Every single animal on the planet is equal to the next, even those as tiny as a spider. They all have a soul and a consciousness. Animals don't have a voice, but they are psychic and sensitive and need to be shielded both physically and spiritually. When enough of us project and manifest positive thoughts towards a specific cause, we can change parts of the world's energy. This is called the collective consciousness, and you don't need to believe in witchcraft for it to work. We all have the power within ourselves to send out positivity. Energy is everywhere and can be morphed into either a positive or a negative field. Light a few white candles and stare into the flames for just a few minutes. Next, concentrate and visualize all different kinds of animals in happy circumstances. You might even want to muster the image, let's say, of a stray dog who has been rescued or is being fed with a loving hand. Continue with this visualization for a further 5 minutes. Say these words 12 times while the candles are burning. I call upon a higher power to aid all creatures in this hour. Send a shield of light from above. Surround them in your infinite love. When you have recited the mantra 12 times, close the ritual by saying the words, "So mote it be." Leave the candles to burn down. If we all work together, we can make a difference.